Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to make smooth transitions in CapCut. And I will show you or will give you a quick tutorial how you can do this. Alright, first of all we need to find clips. So I want to use this clip, I want to use this clip, and I want to use, let's see, I want to use maybe this clip just right here. I want to make this a little bit shorter because the transitions need to get quick. And then this one back. Okay, a little bit zoom in. And right now we can start with creating the transitions just around here. All right, first of all, what we're gonna do is click on transitions. And my favorite transitions are the glitch transitions. Okay, so if we want to use the color glitch, we throw it just here on this tube. And what I like to use is the blocks one. So I want to throw this on this one. And right now it needs to load in. But after this, if you can see when our guy is running, zoop and zoop. All right, this looks very nice. But from now we need to add maybe some audio. So what I like to do is go to sound effects and search here for glitch effect, glitch sound effect. And right now you will see some glitch effects. So please let me check. I want to use maybe this one, throw it just right there and make it a little bit shorter. And then please Ctrl C this one and then throw it just to here. All right, let me check. So like this. And we want to add maybe music. So I want to search for rap, something with a beat. I don't know if something is this nice. Let me check. Oh, sorry, let me check. All right, this is great. So let's check, guys. We just created 3 clips with transitions and music. And now you will see what happened with these clips and how we just created a very, very good transition in only 2 minutes. So let's check. Oh my days. We just created very, very, very good transitions with music and glitch effects. So this is exactly how I can edit my videos. Alright, if you have questions, please comment them below. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.